What's up everybody, Jack here from Half Chrome. I just picked up a new charger for my Lipos. This is the Toolkit RC M6D AC, and there are a few features that I really like about this charger. Now chargers, you don't necessarily need something super fancy, but you do need something reliable. Charging Lipo batteries can be hazardous. Never leave them unattended, and make sure you get a good quality charger, and this is definitely one of those. Stay tuned and I'll tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the M6D Dual Smart Charger by Toolkit RC. So as you see here, it's a fairly compact little machine, and I really like it because you can charge two batteries at once. Now it's up to 700 total watts. That's 350 by 2. Now that's if you're using DC power. But what I really like about this is you can plug this thing directly into AC. Now you're gonna get 200 watts that way, and you can even plug this thing in via USB-C, right? You're only gonna get 65 total watts coming out of that. But it is nice that you have options. 3 different ways that you can power this thing. So if you want to take this with you out into the field to charge, you can. Now this will charge a handful of different types of batteries, and we can kind of, see the beautiful little color display here. So let's take a look at our options. We've got Lipo, which is pretty much all that I use. LiHV, LiFe, Li-ion, nickel metal hydride, lead power. I'm not sure what that is, and AV bat. So you got a few different options. Drone model, right? I've never seen that before, but it looks like you can kind of set up different models in here. Or I don't know that I'd really be able to charge my Mavic 2, but interesting that you have that option. So you have 3 different modes in here: charge, discharge, and storage, which is pretty much probably all you need, right? But this scroll wheel works well. Charging batteries works well. Let's go ahead and get this. This is a 4S 1550. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's charge it up. We'll fly a little bit later today. So we'll go to charge, a little press on the wheel. We want our end voltage to be 4.2 because that's the kind of pack that this is. And then charge current, we're going to go to 1.5 amps, right? Because it's a 1500 milliamp hour battery. We're going to round down, not 1.6, but 1.5. That's generally speaking the safest way to charge. And we're going to go over to start. Yep. Okay. And we can kind of see the different levels on the different cells as it's charging. Really nice little machine. Toolkit RC seems to be pairing with Radiomaster, which is kind of cool. That's who I got this from. Yes, they sent it to me with this kind of cool little sticker. Kind of nice little touch from them. But yeah, it's a compact charger that I'm going to use. I already have one, obviously, because I've been flying for a while. But it's nice to have 2 because I fly a lot of XT60 and XT30 batteries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one for my XT60s and the other one for my XT30s. And then I don't have to constantly be swapping out here or here. So I've got built-in connectors. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful. We hope this was helpful. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, we'd love for you to consider doing so. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If not, thumb this thing down. Tell us what we did wrong, and we'll do better next time. Now, if you're thinking about buying something you saw in the video today, consider using one of the links in the video description down below. They are affiliate links, and they help support this channel so we can continue to make content for you. Don't forget, we also have a website where we get even more in-depth about some of the products that we talk about here on the channel. And we have a Patreon where we give away a drone once a month to a lucky Patreon subscriber. And don't forget about our live streams where we give away things and have a whole lot of fun. We hope to see you back here again. Hey, good luck everyone, and happy flying.